Be ready for the Constitution. Start the Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind. Stand at ease. Today's good thought. Good morning, everyone. Today's good thought. Knowledge is power. Thank you. Today's Panchanga. Good morning, everyone. Today's Panchanga. Sunrise was at 7:05 a.m. and sunset will be 6:16 p.m. Thank you. Today's whose birthday? Please come on the stage.